1470 AM and 96.9 FM. Lilo.
Fox News, I'm Karen McHugh. The Senate will begin debating President Biden's COVID relief bill tonight.
I was going to say, you can see I'm getting that WILO on here. WILO, whatever you want to call it. And I used your suggestion, and I put this here is going to the smart TV here, so I can run it through TuneIn, through the digital audio converter, and bring it here so I can listen to it on the stereo. Now if I turn this off, there's the new turntable, little interim turntable I picked up here today. Well, I ordered it a couple of days ago. It came today, and it's fully automatic. So I mean let's see. Oh, had the volume down.
You know I need someone. When I was younger, so much younger than today.
But as you can see, I mean, it's working fine, so I'll go ahead and sign off of here. Those are the vintage albums, and those are the new albums, and I put a few CDs in down there. Most of them are out in the truck or in a case over behind me. And I stuck the DVDs and Blu-rays over there. I'm not sure how that's going to work real well, but I put some of them over there. The rest of them are in this box here. And that box is packed full, but I'll get them out and get them in these other cubby holes here. I want to get a longer wire and put this behind me underneath the work desk there, as I don't usually pull myself all the way up underneath the desk when I'm working at it anyway. So that'd be a good place for it. I just got to get some more wire to run it around that far.